So I've been looking for a place in my kitchen to put the Bokashi bin. It was a bit of a problem because it's quite a small kitchen and I've already got 3 bins here. The compost, the recyclables and the non-recyclable rubbish, which is waiting for the bin collection. So I've had to move things around to find a space for the Bokashi. But because it's quite a small bin, I found this little place on the floor for it, where I can just pull it out to feed it and also access the tap to collect any liquid as the liquid is produced. I also needed to find a caddy to collect the kitchen scraps as they're accumulated throughout the day and put into this box. So once a day I access the Bokashi bin, put all the scraps in one go, plus a scoop of the bran. So normally I would have collected all the scraps into the caddy. However, I've put them out on a tray here just to show you what sorts of things will go in. So, coffee grounds, fruit peel, vegetable peel, beetroot tops and avocado. Now these are all things that might normally go into the compost heap in one day. But what's different for the Bokashi, it's going to take the outside rinds of cheese, dairy. It's going to take the ends of a cooked stew. And it's taking some stale bread and some pie crusts. To be honest, there are less scraps than usual because in this time of lockdown, we tend to be keeping quite a lot of the scraps from one meal to contribute to the next meal. However, this is a day's scraps, and we're now going to feed it to the Bokashi bin. So, pulling out the Bokashi bin, getting ready to feed it with the scraps. It already has a bit of mould on it after a couple of days. This is today's scraps, with a bit of paper that keeps the caddy relatively clean. I'm going to press down the scraps to take out any air. I'm going to put in a scoop of bran, covering the whole of the surface, and then I'm going to put the airtight lid back on and back in its place. So that's my introduction to the Bokashi system, and I'm going to work with it for a couple of weeks and see how things go, and I'll update you with my experiences when it's been working for a while.